Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the old Betty White Silverado. Today we're going to be installing these new headlights. Got these nice LED running strips, and we're going to also install some LED light bulbs and headlights. Alright, also today I'm going to be showing you how to fix a common problem on these trucks, which is broken headlight mounts. As you can see, there's like nothing holding this one in. First things first, got pop. As you can see, this headlight bracket is broke. It's supposed to have a pin coming through here to lock it in, which is broke, so it doesn't hold it in there anymore. So this one's completely gone. There's supposed to be one right here. So if you're ever in a bind and you need to hold your headlights up, some twist ties work pretty good just for a temporary fix. Alright, first step, you got these little push pins. I already took some of them out, but you got these push pins on this little cover. You got to take them out. Just pop the center of them out and the whole thing should pop right out. Alright, once you got all them out, you just pull this off. Next thing second, you gotta pull this grill off, which is super easy to pull off. Just got these little metal tabs. As you can see, it's just these little middle pieces is all that holds it in, so you just gotta squeeze them with maybe some pliers or something and pop it out. Oh. So you got these two on top and then two down on the bottom in there, and then you got one on the edge, but these just pop out by hand. Get them all off, they just come right off. Alright, like I said before, there's supposed to be a pin like this holding it in there, but as you can see, it's the mount broke, so got a twist tie. I got a new bulb, so I'm gonna just leave these old ones in there. I don't need them anymore. Bottom light's super easy to pop out also. It's just got a little clip right here. It's just got this little clip right here. All you do is squeeze it in with your finger and pop it out. This whole thing is a headlight mounting bracket. To pull it off, you have two T25 Torx bits right here, and then the rest are 10 millimeters. You have this one right here, got one down under here, one up here, and then one in the back corner right here. And after you got it free, just run all your wires through. Make sure you know which hole they came out in. Pull it out. Just put the new one in. All the wires back where they were. Alright, now that we got all the bolts in and tightened up, this is done. Next I'm going to show you how to install them new headlights. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put these new lights in. We're going to go ahead and do the top first. We got these new LED bulbs, going to go ahead and put them in. These lights are super easy to put in. All you do is line these tabs up. Plug the lights in. Check the wires back there. Just line them up with these holes right here. Take your pin, run it through the headlight, and just lock it in to place. Now, these wires are for the LED running strip. You got a hot in the ground, and we're going to tap it onto this side marker light. You're going to put the black to the blue wire and the white to the brown wire. But first we're going to put the bottom light in. Now tap these lights, tap these wires in. Super simple. I just got some T-taps right here. I'm going to put one on the blue wire and one on the brown wire. Alright, so that's what they look like when they're finished and tapped in. So now we're going to take these connectors and just crimp the wires into them and then plug them in. Just take your 2 white wires, put them in this connector. And just crimp them. A little tug, make sure it's in there good. Do the same thing with the black wires. Once you got your plugs on, like I said earlier, black goes to the blue wire. Just plug it in. And white goes to the brown wire. Before we put it all back together, I'm going to just make sure they work. Alright, so they work. That's what they look like all lit up. Just going to tuck these wires back and put them all back together. There you have it, guys. I got everything put back together. All the lights are working properly. Looks absolutely amazing. Looks way better than them old busted out headlights I had. And them LED running strips just look so mean on this truck. Anyways, guys, that's going to be a wrap for today's video. If you liked it or found it helpful, please hit that like and subscribe button. If you want to see some more content regarding this truck, stay tuned for the next video. Thanks.